Hello, I'm Joel Leonard. We're here at the Reliable Plant here at Noria put on, and I'm with Skill TV, and here with Russ Evans. And he's been having some interesting challenges managing compressors, and he's willing to share some of his activities. So tell us about how do you manage some of these challenges compressors are very complex equipment. So.
Sure. Basically, we got an older facility, originally built in 1964, so we have the older reciprocating air compressors, and as always, they're a challenge. One of the biggest challenges we have is we do have not frequent failures, but issues with the cylinders and problems. But when you do a return on investment study versus putting in a new air compressor, a lot of times you can't justify it, because even if you spend $25,000 a year on maintenance on these reciprocating air compressors, a new compressor may be $500,000 to $1 million by the time you get the new equipment and the piping and everything put back in. And trying to sell that to your company that this is a good idea, but it's not going to pay back for 20 years. There's definitely challenges associated with that. So we're definitely fighting through that. And then one of the other issues we have here is with air waste, and we're doing an audit now on our systems to try and minimize that.
So those are some of the steps, and expand on some of the other measures you're doing to try to control energy costs.
As far as energy costs, one of the biggest programs we have is our performance program, and we have twofold. We have a performance engineer, and he does the heat rate studies on our units. We also use a neural network by NUCO called Performance Opt, and it takes a lot of key indications and gives us when we have abnormal temperature changes or pressure changes, or just about anything that the equipment doesn't. It gives us these flags that says, we're seeing a degradation, maybe your feed water heaters or something like that, and we can take that information and find out what kind of impacts we're seeing and if it justifies taking action. So that's one of the biggest ones that we have.
So you're doing real-time condition monitoring on the equipment.
Absolutely.
As you're doing it. You're constantly being sensitive to what's happening as it's going on.
It takes into account the ambient temperatures and environment, and it learns as it goes, and really is a valuable tool.
So what do you classify as your biggest achievements in your maintenance and reliability initiatives that you've been in?
Well, one of the achievements that we are headed towards that I think is going to be a great achievement is my department's relatively new. We most have been there less than a year. So we're trying to develop a reliability program. That's one of the key reasons we're here. Is currently the primary PM that we perform is vibration analysis. We're wanting to go further and go into the thermal imagery and motor current analysis and things like that to try and expand our program to really help us try and prevent any catastrophic failures of equipment, identify before it happens, and take action, be proactive instead of reactive.
Anticipating failures as opposed to responding.
So we're really hoping that this program is really going to evolve and be a really positive thing.
So you anticipate that to generate some serious income and profitability components?
That's what we are hoping.
Well, good deal. Well, I thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy the conference here.
Yep, thank you.